Kalispera κυρίες και κύριοι. We have pork neck steak with cooked vegetables. I have a 1-inch thick pork steak neck. We want to add salt and pepper on both sides. And because the steak is quite thick, we're going to add a generous amount of salt and pepper. We're going to use a nonstick pan, medium to low heat, add some olive oil. Let's place the steak in the pan. We're going to cook each side for 25 minutes. And what we're looking for at the end is a nice golden brown crust. And this at the end is what we're looking for. A nice golden brown crust on both sides. To cook our vegetables, we're going to use the same oil we cooked our steak. It's full of salt, pepper, and flavor. We begin with 2 garlic cloves chopped up, 1 middle-sized white onion chopped up as well. We want to cook the onions first for a couple of more seconds than the other vegetables so they can start getting caramelized. Half a carrot chopped up as well. We're going to cook the carrots along with the onions for a couple of more seconds until we add the rest of the vegetables. So at the end, the carrots are soft and sweet. Let's put in now some sweet corn and green peas. Give everything a nice little mix. Now at the end, red and green peppers chopped up. Now that we added all the vegetables, we want to cook them all together for 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat. Now that you're done cooking your vegetables, it's time to serve. We want to place the vegetables in the middle of the plate. And the pork steak on top of the vegetables. A nice squeeze of lemon. And a good pinch or 2 of rigani. And there you have it, a delicious pork steak with vegetables. And like always, και καλή σας όρεξη.